It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I do have our Glam bag for May. This is a $14 a month bag plus $1.95 or 99 for shipping and handling plus taxes based on where you live at. But this bag contains 5 deluxe size products every month. It could be a mixture between makeup and skincare, and basically it gives you a chance to try out different makeup, try out different skincare, see if you like it before you actually make the investment. So I think that's pretty cool. Or if you're new to beauty, this is another great bag to kind of start out with that doesn't break the bank. So let's get started. So we have our May 2024 bag. And this is the bag here. And this month I know they were focusing on spring florals. So we have a floral-y looking bag here. I'm not a fan of this bag. I don't really do too much with the flowers. So the flowers is kind of, they look weird. I don't know. It reminds me like an old lady makeup bag. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this month's bag. Nonetheless. But we're going to go ahead and get into the bag without hearing me complain. So we do have our little card inside. And it says the secret garden is the theme for the month. And it says this month these spring beauty staples will bring your look into full bloom. So that's our little card. On the back they got some information about what's coming in the month of June right here and choices, and then on the inside some more about some of the products and stuff like that. So let's get into what's in this bag, right? So guys, the first item I'm pulling out my bag, this is a Dallas and James product. I'm not familiar with them at all. On my phone it says this product here is valued at $5 for this deluxe mini. This is Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream, if I can say that all together. Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. And it says what this product does is it says this is a thirst quenching gel to water cream that is everything you want from in a moisturizer. It has ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and watermelon. They work together to help leaving your skin looking and feeling vibrant, bouncy, and hydrated. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. Okay, Cloud Cream by Dallas and James Skincare Company. So that's dope. Let's see what the next thing is. I have a Kate Berkey product. Never received a sample of any of her stuff, so this is the first time I've ever got a sample. But I have had the vitamin C face cream. I have received that in a few boxes before, so I am at least familiar with the brand. So this is the Nutrient C Eye Cream by Kate Berkey, and I've never used this one before. So let's see what information we have about this one. So guys, for the Kate Berkey eye cream, they didn't give us any kind of value online for this product at all. It says this is an invigorating eye cream that helps instantly brighten and revive tired looking eyes thanks to a holy grail combination of vitamin C and caffeine. This formula also includes reishi mushroom, neem seed oil, and green tea to help promote skin renewal, target puffiness, and strengthen the delicate skin around the eye area. I like that. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Actually, this should, if it's filled all the way, this will last me a bit. Yeah, can't wait to try that one. Next item I'm pulling out is a Symbiosis product. I have used one of their eye creams before, but let's see what we have here. We have here a hyaluronic and papaya glycolic extract. This is a balancing sorbet facial and cryo exfoliator. Okay, that is a mouthful to say. I don't even know what this does, so I'm going to look real quick online to see exactly what this product does, because I'm not familiar with what this does. So let's just figure it out, so I know how to use this and I can tell you guys about what this product does. There's no value that we were given for this one either, but it says soft skin, here we come. This luxurious exfoliator has arrived to help complexion appearing more smoother, softer, and brighter. Okay, so it has papaya extract to help with hyperpigmentation and hyaluronic acid to make sure that your skin stays hydrated and plump. That's pretty good. So what else? Is this just a mask or just a cleanser. So gently massage a small amount of the exfoliator into your skin after cleansing, and then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So yeah, like a mask almost, here, like a facial mask that you just kind of rub on, or I don't know. We'll give it a try. I'll try anything over here. So let's go to our next item in the bag. So guys, this is the next item. We have Vintage by Jessica. I'm gonna butcher her last name. It looks like Libias King or Libias Kind. This is a cream lip gloss, and I have the color Natural, and this is kind of what it looks like online. And this is a lip gloss. So I like lip gloss. It says with one swipe, this sheer pinky brown gloss gives your lips the perfect glow, and it's non-sticky, and the ultra nourishing formula leaves your pout feeling soft and plump. So thanks to vitamin E. So yeah, we didn't get any value on this product either. So let's go to our last item. Our last item I have is a brow product by Alamar Cosmetics. I haven't seen them in a box in a while, Alamar products. So we have the Miami Brow Styler. So let me pull that out so I can show you what it looks like outside of the packaging. So guys, this is our brow styler out of the packaging. And I have color, what is this? I think it was brown. Espresso Black Brown is the color that I have. And this is just a brow styler. So on one side you got the spoolie to do your brows, and on the other side you have your tip here to draw your brows on with. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch on here, and you can kind of build, which I kind of like about that. Like, it doesn't go on too dark. You could kind of build it up. But yeah, this would be good for your brows. I like this. This is nice. The information about this product we have is that this is a brow styler, will be your new go-to for that perfect fill and fluff. This creamy, long-last wearing pencil is perfect for giving your brows the love that they desire. So that's really nice. And with just the right mix of wax and pigment, it's all about that long-lasting, blendable beauty. I like that is long-lasting, because normally you wear the brow pomade or the powder, and if your skin is getting oily in the summertime, sometimes you go to do something to your face and you done lost the eyebrow or the end of your tail. So this will be nice to try out. So I can't wait to use this. This will be fun for me. And that's a good match, because I can just build on it or blend it out a bit as much as I need to. So that's cool. So guys, in review, we have 5 products in our Glam bag, and we have the Miami Brow Styler, we have the Kate Berkey eye cream, we have the Vintage by Jessica, what was her name? Be Kind of Brow. I butcher her name. I apologize, Jessica. I can't see it on this tiny writing on the packaging. But this is a lip gloss. We have Dallas and James, and we have their Cloud Cream moisturizer. And then we also have Symbiosis London, and this is their Balancing Sorbet Facial Cryo Exfoliator. So it's a facial exfoliator. So these are the 5 items in my bag. I would say my favorite is going to be, I'm going to go with the brow styler for right now. It's my favorite. And I am really interested in trying this Kate Berkey eye cream to see how that works out. So those are my top 2. The Cloud Clean Moisturizer, it probably is really good. I just never have tried this before. And the same thing with the Symbiosis Exfoliator. I have never used this particular product before either. And the lip gloss, I'm sure this will be fine. I'll probably have no problem with any of the things that I receive. So guys, this was my bag for the month of May 2024. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, and you also picked up this bag this month, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I would love to know if you got something different in your bag, or what you thought about the products I got in mine. Love chatting with you guys in the comments. Please go ahead and let me know what your thoughts were for this month's bag. But if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I love showing you guys what I'm getting in my bag as well as what I'm purchasing. If that's something you're into, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.